Are you running a home staging service in 2025 and wondering why clients aren't calling like they used to? Let me guess. You've got a portfolio of beautifully staged homes. You've invested in quality furniture and decor. You've passed out business cards, maybe even run a few ads online. But leads? They're inconsistent. Bookings come in waves, and some months feel like a drought. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. In today's fast-moving real estate world, it's not just about how well you can stage a space. It's about how well you can get seen by the right people, consistently. Because even the best home stager can't survive if nobody knows you exist. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how modern home staging businesses are using automation and smart funnels to attract more realtors, more homeowners, and more repeat bookings, without chasing leads or depending on word of mouth. Let's dive in. Most home stagers still rely on referrals or hope that a realtor remembers their name the next time a property needs a refresh. Some post on Instagram, but don't know what to do when someone sends a DM. Some answer phone calls, but forget to follow up with quotes. And as a result, potential clients slip away, fast. In 2025, attention spans are short. If a realtor is looking for a stager and doesn't get a fast, professional response, they move on to the next listing in Google. That's lost revenue, lost trust, and lost growth. So, how do you fix it? The answer is automation plus smart funnels. Imagine this instead. A realtor sees your post or ad. They click a link. They land on a simple, clean page where they can see your portfolio, testimonials, and services. They fill out a short form. Within seconds, they receive an email or SMS thanking them and offering to schedule a quick discovery call. Or better yet, book a consultation directly. You didn't have to lift a finger. They get a smooth, professional experience. You get a warm lead while you're busy staging another home or taking a weekend off. This is what a funnel does. Funnels are like digital assistants working 24/7 behind the scenes. They greet visitors, capture their info, follow up instantly, and guide them to booking with you. And the best part? It doesn't require a complicated website or tech skills. There's a platform called Funnel Freedom built exactly for service businesses like yours. With Funnel Freedom, you can build a simple funnel page showing your offer and expertise, automatically send emails or SMS follow-ups to leads, let clients book calls or staging dates directly, integrate with your calendar, keep track of all leads in one easy dashboard. No coding, no confusion, just real results. And yes, it works even if you're not tech-savvy. Let me give you a real-world example. One of our clients, a stager in Florida, was doing great work but only had 2 or 3 jobs a month. She was relying on realtors remembering her name. That was it. We helped her set up a simple funnel using Funnel Freedom. Within 30 days, she had 9 new bookings and didn't have to chase a single lead. She just checked her email and saw booked appointments, all because the system was working in the background even while she slept. Now, you might be thinking, what if I already have a website? That's great. But websites are passive. Funnels are active. Your website might have 10 tabs, a blog, and a contact form. But is it guiding visitors to take action? Funnels are designed with one goal: turn a visitor into a paying client. That's why one high-converting funnel page can outperform a full website when it comes to getting bookings. And in today's market, that's what matters most: results. So if you're tired of hearing, "We'll get back to you," or waiting for referrals, it's time to do what the pros are doing. Use a funnel that captures and converts leads, automate your follow-ups so no one slips through the cracks, and let your calendar fill up while you focus on the creative work you love. Whether you're staging homes for sale, Airbnb units, or luxury listings, the real business growth happens when you spend less time chasing and more time serving. So here's my invitation to you. Go to funnelfreedom.io and see how this system works. No pressure, just a simple tool that can help you stop guessing and start scaling. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps more home service pros find content like this. And don't forget to subscribe, because we drop weekly strategies to help your business thrive without the stress. Until next time, automate smart, stage beautifully, and grow your business like a pro.